What's up, guys? It's your boy Beatty, back again with another video. And today I have an appointment to go see the chiropractor. This is my first time going to the chiropractor, to be honest with you. I've got work done as far as deep tissue massages in the past, but I've never actually been to a chiropractor. So hopefully this is going to be great, and it's going to help heal up some of my nagging injuries, minor injuries. I got some shoulder pain, like a rotator cuff thing. Feel kind of like a nerve. Not sure exactly what's going on. And then in my right arm, I have like a bicep tendon / elbow tricep kind of issue going on. It's just been nagging me, you know. So I want to make sure everything's aligned, everything is good to go. Make sure the proper muscles are firing, making sure I'm getting the best out of my workouts. I don't want no BS, man. So definitely gonna try to get the best of my workouts. So hopefully this goes well, and I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling after I get it. The days going forward, if it actually helped or if it's more of like a waste of money. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, let you see the whole thing, and let you guys know how it goes. All right, see you guys at the chiropractor. All right, guys, so I just got here to the chiropractor. About to go up an elevator and get some work done. Check it out. Maybe a tight fit.
Yeah, I should.
I have one at home for the wrist one.
The wrist one? Okay.
Yeah, it's not very. I don't think it's very accurate.
I want to ask Dr. Casey just in case if this will be okay.
Okay.
Because this one's a little too small. I wonder if we have a bigger one.
Hopefully. Too much gains, guys. Too much gains, man. Can't even fit the BP monitor. Comes with the territory, man.
A few moments later.
It's all good.
Hi, I'm Dr. Casey. I'm a chiropractor. Today we're going to look at baby's range of motion in his neck and shoulders and biceps because he's coming with some long-term 2-month chronic stiffness and tightness, and so we're going to figure out and see what's going to work best for him and come up with a treatment plan.
Perfect. Sounds good. So
Let's go. I'm going to put some pressure here. Let me know when you please. Taking it back. Right. Left. Good. Anything when I push here? Just a stretch, right?
yeah, just stretch it out.
About the side.
Just stretch.
Just stretch. I'm going to put pressure here. Bring your head down and go back. No? Okay. I'm going to lift up the same way it is. Same. Okay.
Stretch.
Let's do arms like this for me. I want you to resist. Good. Resist. Feels a little bit weaker on that side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Arms like this for me.
My training partners always tell me when I do like lateral raises, they'll tell me one side is going up higher. I think they say my left.
It could be that, put your arms like this. It could be that because the nerve's irritated, it's not able to innervate correctly, you're not able to engage your hip. That's why your bicep is flaring up. Or your elbow too. Resist. Resist. A little bit weaker, a little bit. Let's go thumbs down like this. Straight arm. Come up a little bit here. Resist. Resist. Any pain with that. Do it one more time on each side. So really good. Good. A little bit more on that side. Relax.
If that was a month ago, then there's no way I could have done that.
Yeah. Any tenderness here?
It's a little bit sore, but like
Soreness.
regular like muscle soreness.
Okay. Electrical stem or interferential therapy, so it's helping like bring blood flow, stimulating like the chemical mediums in the cells to break up the tissue, and it's going to help complement everything else that we're going to do, get extra blood flow to the area. So if you want to lay on your back.
Is this the one that Brad Rowe uses, or it's kind of different? Similar?
Basically, it's the same thing. Yeah. That is like insane.
Yeah, I can't
It's
imagine.
like just too much.
To do a whole workout with that.
Yeah. Okay. Lift up a little bit.
I'll show him to the beat,
giving me like
It
a...
should feel like a pull, like it's pulsing. Is that one that I'm raising, or I'm raising the shoulder?
I think you're raising the right one.
Okay. Is now the shoulder? No, that's it. Okay.
Yeah, nothing nice. Yeah.
Better? Okay. I'll check on you in a little bit. How's that?
That's good.
Okay. Middle. I think, yeah, middle. Because he was, right? Is middle like the
60s?
no, 190?
No.
186?
No, that's light heavy.
Okay.
Great, but the spikes in the temple.
Exactly. Just change it up.
Even if you're walking from a class trying to gain muscle, I still have the ring fit because
Muscle stretching here. Stretching. Okay. One more. Push. Comes in a certain sign and everything here.
yeah.
I'm just gonna do a couple adjustments. It's just loud because it's my ears, but you know, like when people pull their finger. You hear that? All that is the fluid and the gas bubbles in the joints being released. It's not like technical. You okay with that? Yeah, I'll tell you myself. One
That's the weirdest.
more. Right? I want to do a couple more things. Go on your stomach for me. Deep breath in and breathe out.
For this week,
Yeah.
like Thursday.
Okay. Let's see what time.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, so I'm back home now, fresh from the adjustment, I guess you would call it. And honestly, like right away I felt a lot more like comfort, I guess you could say, and the inflammation really went down a lot in my, I don't even know, it's like I get this really bad inflammation and pain all the way from here, forearm, brachioradialis, bicep, the tendon right here, elbow, tricep, like it's that whole area. And right away, obviously she iced it. She put those little, I don't know, electromagnetic pulse, whatever. I don't know the terms, man. This is my first time going, but she did all of that. She did some scraping. She did some a little bit of like deep tissue work, the whole nine, man. And honestly, right away I felt a lot of relief. She even taped it. I think she told me to leave it on for 48 hours, but it's uncomfortable. I don't like tape on my body, so I took this shit off. But yeah, it really just it felt good. It felt good. You know, now if they're gonna have a lot of long-term relief, I don't know. Only way to find out is to, you know, do it. But most people tell me you have to do it a couple of times, you know, like regularly, to really get the benefits from it. You can't just do it once and never go back, which is what I tend to do with these kind of stuff. Just, I can afford it at this point in my life, but I have this weird cheapness. Like I just be cheap sometimes, man. Like it's weird, man. I just be cheap sometimes, but I gotta look out for my body, right? Like my whole career is kind of like a physical thing. So the least I can do is, you know, take care of my body. You only get one, right? But so far feels good. The shoulder feels better. The right arm feels better, and I'll probably try to do it. She wanted me to come in next week. I can't do it weekly, man. The time and the money, I'd rather not. Like I said, I can't afford it at this point, but I'd rather not spend that every week, you know. She gave me a good price, but I think I'll go bi-week. Let me not even say that yet. Maybe bi-weekly, maybe tri-weekly even. But so far so good, and I definitely long overdue to say the least. But yeah, it feels good, and I'm gonna try to keep it up. I'll let you guys know moving forward how much it helped or how much it didn't help. But anyways, let me get this meal in and hit the gym. What I got on the menu today, I don't even know what I got on the menu today. My mind is all over the place. Hold on 1 second. I got arms. Yeah, I got arms today, so I'm gonna get a meal in and hit some arms. But I want to talk about the current state of the country, I guess, and as far as California, what's going on too. Basically, for those who live in California, for those who've heard, we're back on lockdown. So we basically had bars, gyms, and retail stores, everything open up. I think it lasted all of 3 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. I think 3 or 4 weeks, probably. I don't know. Don't quote me. But we're back on lockdown. You know, grand opening, grand closing, and I don't know how I feel about this, man. I get like mixed emotions when it comes to this. I understand that in the grand scope of things, people's health is more important than gyms and bars. That's for sure. And do you have to stop the curve? I think so. I think it's necessary to definitely stop the curve. You just can't have hospitals overfill. Like, this is definitely a real thing. It's a real thing. I would never say it's not real. People are dying, and it's 100% a real thing. But at the same time, this is something that's been happening forever. There's always been a virus. There's always been disease. There's always been deaths. It has been going on since the beginning of time. It will never stop. It's always going to be something new. It's always going to be people dying. And at the end of the day, it's something called natural selection, man. The strong will survive, and that will cause us to be stronger moving forward as a human race. I know this sounds kind of like cold or whatever, but it's the truth. It's been going on forever. That's why we're here. That's why we're strong enough. You know, we're only alive because we were strong enough to make it. It's just how the world works. Natural selection. We get stronger. We get stronger. Things come, try to kill us. We survive it. We get stronger. The weak die off, and then only the strong genes are left. And it's just the reality of the world. It happens with animals. It happens with human beings. The weak animal gets eaten. The fast one survives. The genes keep passing on. They get faster, better, bigger, stronger, faster. And it's just what happens. You know, this will never stop happening. You know, I'm confident that our immune systems will adapt. We will get the tools it takes to survive this kind of thing, man. And we'll push past it. You know, same way we do with the flu, same way we do with everything else. Like, I would never downplay something of this magnitude, but at the same time, what are we gonna hide forever? Like, what are we gonna just wear masks and stay home for the rest of humanity? Like, it's never going to be finished. It's never going to be no germs outside. It's always going to be germs outside. Always going to be viruses. Like, we can't just run and hide with our tails between our legs. Like, come on. Like, we're better than that. We're stronger than that. Like, let us work. Let us continue our business. Let us just follow regulations. It's fine. Listen, I know a lot of people were pissed off, you know, about the masks and gloves and stuff. You know what? That's fine. If you're going to let us everybody stay open and let us conduct our business, that's fine. We'll wear masks and gloves. But you can't just cower away and run away from virus for the rest of humanity. That's no way to live. Like, I don't know. I don't want to go off on a tangent, but I think we're better than that. I think we have the tools it takes to survive anything. I think so. And listen, if it's your time, it's your time. If it's time to go, we all got an expiration date. Whether it's the flu, whether it's cancer, whether it's whatever, something's going to get you. You know what I'm saying? Does that mean you're just not going to do anything for the rest of your life? You're never going to live your life because you're scared you're going to get cancer or the flu and die? No. You continue living. You know, you get into a car accident. Do you just give up driving? Oh, I'm never going to drive again. I'm just going to stay home for the rest of my life. I will never get in a car again. No. You take more precaution and you continue with your damn life. You know what I'm saying? That's how it works. That's just how life works. You do it better, you do it smarter, but end of the day, we got to get back to some kind of normalcy, man. Like, we can't do this forever. It's been what, March, April, May, June, July. It's been like 4 months. You know, what are we gonna go another 4 months? Make it 8 months? We're gonna do a whole year of this? I don't know, man. Some people think it's just a ploy for the election, and then once the election is over, it's all over. I don't know, man. I'm not a conspiracy guy, but at this point, I don't know what to believe. It's all over the place, but I hope things go back to normal. That's basically it. I just went off on a crazy tangent, but without further ado, arm day. See you guys at the gym.
This is Phase Music.
About to do something. It's called Hen Jack extensions, right? Got it from my boy Henry Jackson. Shout out to him. So basically, it's like a triple giant set, right? Basically, you're gonna do 10 reps here with the cable rope, and and you'll come out here, 10 reps underhand, and you'll come over 10 reps overhand. So it's 30 reps each set. My elbow acting up, so can't really go heavy today, so I'm gonna go for reps, volume. I gotta go light. So no breaks in between, 10, 10, 10.
Push the on the track, nigga.
Alright, so we're gonna do a superset for forearms. It's basically gonna be like a what would you call it? Like a forearm curl. I don't know. Like a forearm curl with the cable. And we're gonna superset it with just reverse curls on the easy bar. Check it out. Make sure you control it. About 20 reps each. Alright guys, back home now. About to have my last meal and head on to bed. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got 12 ounces of filet mignon, and I got about 6 ounces of French fries, potato wedges, whatever you want to call it. I bake it in the oven. It's not fried, it's not greasy, none of that. Macro friendly potato wedges, French fries. Boom. So today's video is coming to an end. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Leave some ideas in the comment section for any kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. Follow me on Instagram at BeattyFall on Instagram. Email me for coaching at BeattyFall@icloud.com. Turn on your post notifications to get notified for future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Gains.